Creating a classic tween. Classic tween is an animation primarily used for transition purposes. To create a classic tween, perform the following steps. Step 1. Create a new Animate 2024 document with ActionScript 3.0. Step 2. Select the Oval tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Draw a circle on the left-hand side of the stage by using Oval tool. Step 4. Right-click the drawn object and select the Convert the Symbol option. The Convert to Symbol dialog box opens. Step 5. Type the name of the symbol. Step 6. Click on the OK button. By default, the frame 1 in the timeline is a keyframe. Step 7. Select the frame 10 on the layer 1 of the timeline. Step 8. Select the Insert, Timeline, Keyframe option from the menu bar. Step 9. Select the Selection tool from the Tools panel. Step 10. Drag the circle to the bottom of the stage. Step 11. Click on any frame between 1 to 10. Step 12. Select the Insert, Create Classic Tween option from the menu bar. A Convert Selection to Symbol for Tween window will appear. Step 13. Click on the OK button. Step 14. Select the frame 20 on the layer 1 of the timeline. Step 15. Select the Insert, Timeline, Keyframe option from the menu bar. Step 16. Drag the circle to the right upper corner of the stage. Step 17. Click on any frame between frame 10 to frame 20 in the timeline. Step 18. Select the Insert, Create Classic Tween option from the menu bar. Step 19. Select the Control, Test Movie in Animate option from the menu bar to play the movie.